Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So in this video there is a given figure and we have to redraw it. So as you can see this figure, the dimensions are properly given. So we'll start with this step where first we'll mark the outer dimension where the entire figure will be. So I'll start this figure from here. So 35 millimeter and then 55 millimeter. There is a distance given. So here I have marked 35 millimeter and then after that it is 55 millimeter in the same straight line, and I'll make this dark. So this is 55 millimeter. After that, as you can see, we have this curve of radius 25. So for drawing that, first I'll draw this circle center line. To get this center for drawing this curve, on compass we'll take a distance of 25 millimeter, or you can directly mark a point like this. So this is the center point. So on compass 25 millimeter I have taken, keeping it over here, drawing an arc of radius 25. After that I'll draw a horizontal line. Same, this is called as a chain thin line. It passes through the center of the circle. Next we'll draw the inner circle. The diameter of the inner circle given is 18 millimeter. So on compass we'll take a radius of 9 millimeter. Draw it dark. Once it's done, now we'll move to the next part. There is a curve here. The radius given is R60. So it is on this line exactly. So how we can draw it? From here I'll take a distance of 60 millimeter, mark a point, and then draw the curve. So you can see how I'm doing it. Next we'll draw this straight line, straight vertical line. So I'll take this as a reference, and from this point, the first point which we have drawn, I'll draw a light line. So I'll get the exact left side of the image. Now we have to draw R15. From here also, like a tangent, I'll draw a line to this curve. Now to draw this R15 curve, we have to find the center point. To find the center point of this curve, it is like a square shape. So on compass, first I'll take a distance of 15 millimeter. From this point, please see the point, I'll cut an arcs on both the sides of the line, and then from the arcs I'll draw the center point of the curve of R15. Now this is the center point, and I'll join both of these points, and it will create an arc of R15. Now next, inner circle. The diameter of the inner circle given is 16 millimeter. So on compass, taking radius of 8 millimeter, draw this circle. Now join this dark. Now next again you have a radius of R15 which is below 45 millimeters. So from here I'll mark a point 45 millimeter below. Now for this R15 and R20, this distance is 20. So from this it is again in the straight line. So 15 millimeter apart I'm marking a point here, and from that point I'll draw a curve of R15. Compass it is 15 millimeters. Next join this. Next curve we have R20. So from this point marking a point 20 millimeters below, and on compass again 20 millimeters. We'll draw the curve. Don't touch it at the bottom as we have a straight line. And with this we are done with the figure. We'll mark the dimensions. Mark all the dimensions which are shown in the figure. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.